How to share location on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. Open any chat from here. Now, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. Here, tap on Location. You can track her location and send to friends from this page. You can also search or enter an address in the search bar. You can share your live location with friends from here. Then, tap on Send your current location under Nearby Places. You have now successfully sent your location to this chat. You can repeat this to send your location to other friends on WhatsApp. Following these steps, you can easily share location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.